Hey, I'm Dion with WTI, and an accessory that we need to rebuy some of the time is a mouse for our laptop or our PC. This mouse is super cute in this beautiful minty teal color. It fits your hand perfectly, has a roll for your scrolling, and it also has a button on top, along with your left and right buttons. Something else I like is that it only requires one AA battery, and your USB plug-in, if you're traveling, can be stored inside the base of this mouse. This mouse is extremely cute and very functional, and that's my point of view.